Fixing QuickBooks invalid product number is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Double check the product key you entered during QuickBooks installation or activation. Ensure that you entered the key correctly without any typos or mistakes. Make sure you're using the correct product key for your version of QuickBooks and that it hasn't expired. Close QuickBooks and restart your computer. Sometimes restarting both the software and the system can resolve temporary issues related to activation or product validation. Ensure that your QuickBooks software is up to date with the latest updates and patches. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that may address activation-related issues. Open QuickBooks to go to the Help menu. Select Update QuickBooks and follow the prompts to download and install any available updates. QuickBooks Tool Help is a collection of tools and utilities designed to troubleshoot common QuickBooks issues. Download and install the QuickBooks Tool Help from the official Intuit website. Open the Tool Help and go to the Installation Issues tab. Run the QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool to scan and fix installation-related issues. As a last resort, you can uninstall and reinstall QuickBooks to fix activation or product key errors. Before reinstalling, ensure that you have a backup of your company file and any important data. Uninstall QuickBooks from your computer's control panel or settings. Download the latest version of QuickBooks from the official Intuit website and install it on your computer. During installation, enter your product key and follow the prompts to activate QuickBooks. If you're still unable to resolve the invalid product number error after trying all the steps, contact QuickBooks customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and steps you've already taken to troubleshoot.